here we go. Can't guarantee this is going to work really well, but we'll see. So we've got the deltaforce 29 out here, and I think we're running a 42, an X442 that's been detoned. I hope that's in focus and showing up. So 30, 50, 36, 70, 30, 50 kV. Four cell. That's all working. Let's get it taped up. I've run this boat a few times. I've been dialing it in and I lost the propeller the last outrun. I used the Loctite for the stub shaft onto the flex drive, and that actually broke loose after some hard running. It lasted quite a while, but finally gave it up. So this one here, this stub shaft, and was actually from a Proboat, and so that should work. And in the meantime, I'm gonna probably convert it over to 0.187 instead of 0.150. But I've also got a 40 series motor I'm going to put with that. And see how that works. For today, we just want to do some data logging with the Castle. I'm using an older Castle Ice 240. So that should be fine. Let's see here. Track, start, and yep, now it's working. See how it goes. Cool it off a little bit. That was full speed. The other propeller I was running was giving me 59 miles an hour. And let's see what this one's giving me. So stop, record. 51, definitely slower. So that propeller definitely does not have the juice. So let's take a step back here and we'll swap out the props and see what we can get. Yeah, I didn't think it was as fast, but it is what it is. So we get the use this, since how we're still plugged in. If it spins, it's not going to do much damage to me with this big towel. Okay, and that was definitely the 440 cut back. We're going to run this one. This one seems to have a lot more speed. However, the problem with this one is it sure pulls a lot of amps. But we'll see what it does. So let's reset the app, and we'll hit track, start, and it's working. Mud off there. And I just lost it. Son of a bitch. Well, that Proboat, I wondered about that because the Proboat had the drive dog had a little tiny pin in it, and I ended up removing that pin. I ground it down and used a regular drive dog, and I wasn't sure how good the how good that was held on there. Evidently not very good. That just absolutely sucks. That was a good prop too. Well, that's it. We'll be back.